Hello student, I hope you all are fine. We have already discussed about the chapter 3. Today we are going to complete the exercises of chapter 3. Before starting exercises, here are given some important words with their meaning. You all of you learn these words with their meaning. First word is deforestation, the cutting down of trees on a large scale. Tarai, foothills of the Sivalik range. Houseboat, a house on a boat found in Kashmir and mostly used as a hotel. Shikara, a small boat in Kashmir mostly used for boating for pleasure and as floating shop. Firan, a long loose gown worn by people in Kashmir. Kangri, a thin pot with burning coal carried by people in Kashmir in winter. Bahu, long skirt traditionally worn by the women of Sikkim. So students, we are going to read the exercises of chapter 3. First is the fill in the blanks. First, a long row of mountain is called a mountain. Here is fill range. A long row of mountain is called a mountain range. Second is the highest mountain range in the Himalayas is the Himadri or Greater Himalaya. So what is the answer of second? Himadri or Greater. The highest mountain in Himalaya is called Himadri or Greater. The area at the foothills of Himalaya is called the region. Tarai region. Here is fill Tarai. Rivers in the northern mountains arise from moving sheets or ice called glaciers. 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 Rivers in the northern mountain arise from moving sheets of ice called glaciers. People of Kashmir carry a spade under their firan to keep warm in winter. The people of Kashmir carry a kangri. So here is fill kangri. Kangri under their firan to keep warm in winter. Match the following. Column A, column B. You all of you write the answer in front of column A as usual, and answer of column A in right the front. First is highest peak in India. Highest peak in India is Kanchenjunga. Lowest range in Himalayas, Sivalik. Origin of river Ganga, Gangotri. Saffron, Kashmir. And 8,848 meter, Mount Everest. Multiple choice question. The highest mountain peak in India is, option is given, Mount Everest, Annapurna, Kanchenjunga, Mount Godwin, Austin. The highest peak in India is Kanchenjunga. The river Ganga originates from Gangotri Glacier. Option is Gangotri Glacier, Himadri, Mount Kailash, Mount Everest. Correct answer is Gangotri. Which state gets the heaviest rainfall in the country? Option is Manipur, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya. Correct answer is Meghalaya. Mussoorie is an important hill station in the state of, option is Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Assam. Correct answer is Uttarakhand. 5 small boats that are used for boating and as floating shops in Kashmir are called option Kangri, Firan, Shikara, Dogri. Correct answer is Shikara. So student, today is your homework. Learn important words with their meaning from page number 21 and write, fill in the blanks, matching and multiple choice question of chapter 3 in your notebook and learn answer. Bye students.